Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how I make my Fiji style fish soup or LoLo. So let's get started. I've got here one bunch of bok choy which I have washed and rinsed, quarter drumhead cabbage which I have cut into thick slices, 2 medium onions which I have cut into small pieces, some hot water, half a cup of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 medium tomatoes cut into small pieces, 2 whole fish which I have cleaned and cut into pieces, some oil for cooking, some black pepper, 2 medium carrots which I have peeled and cut into slices, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, 1 large chili cut into small pieces, salt to taste, and 2 cans of coconut milk. The first thing we need to do is to fry the fish. Take the fish pieces, add 1 teaspoon of salt and some freshly ground pepper and give it a quick mix. Lightly coat the fish pieces with the flour and put it aside. Place a large pot on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. Add fish pieces and fry them for 2 minutes on each side. Move the fish pieces to one side, add garlic and ginger, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add tomatoes, carrots, chilies, onions, bok choy, cabbage, fish sauce, seasoning, and about 4 to 5 cups of hot water. Push it down lightly with a spoon, put a lid on, leaving a small gap, and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take all the fish pieces out, put the lid back on and let it cook while we remove the bones from the fish. Add the fish back into the soup and give it a mix. Add coconut milk, give it a mix and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix and taste your salt. You can add salt according to your taste. It doesn't need any more salt. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My Fiji style fish soup or LoLo is ready and you can serve it hot with a squeeze of lemon juice on the top or with some cassava or taro. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.